Hi, my name is Micah Thompson. I'm the Engaged Learning and Community Involvement Advisor at RMU. In the last video, I introduced you to the SET path in Revolution, a tool designed to help make reporting and tracking your SET experiences a lot easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report those SET experiences so that they show up on your SET path. So we're going to access the SET path by clicking on the name icon and selecting Paths. This takes you to the My Paths page, where you'll scroll down to the section that lists the path items for each domain. Now, you'll want to select the path item that matches the experience that you want to report. So let's say that I have completed a non-academic internship. So I'll go under Professional Experience, I'll click Non-Academic Internship, and I'll follow the instructions on this page for reporting the experience. So it's important that here you read everything on this page carefully to make sure that you have what's needed to report the experience and that the experience that you completed is eligible and that this is the correct path item for reporting the experience. So I'll read the instructions. I'll click the experience bar and select internship as my experience type. Here I'll be taken to a form where I'll enter the necessary information, upload the required document, and then down here you want to make sure that you do not change the default path item. Whatever is listed here should not be changed and additional path items should not be selected. And that instruction is given here at the top of the form. So make sure you read that carefully and you do not change the path item. So once I complete this form and submit it, I'll await approval. Once it's approved, I'll get an email notification and it'll be added to my SET path. This procedure for reporting experiences is similar for all path items, but the criteria and the information needed for each experience may vary. So be sure that you read everything on the path items page before reporting. SET eligible events that you attend are automatically added to your SET path, so these do not need to be self-reported. I hope you found this useful. Feel free to reach out to me for guidance. I'll put my email in the video description. Thank you.